Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the phone and physically attaching the Apple leather wallet. Make sure you have an iPhone 12 or newer and iOS 15 or later. Sign into iCloud. Turn on Bluetooth and Wi-Fi so detection works, and enable Find My in settings under your Apple ID. Now place the leather wallet on the MagSafe ring and press until it snaps into place. This physical attachment is the single necessary action to let the phone recognize the accessory and proceed. Once attached, the phone typically recognizes the wallet immediately. You may see an on-screen accessory notification. If you do, follow that prompt, usually tapping at Open Settings or Wallet and Apple Pay so the system can register the accessory. Make sure the phone is unlocked and stay on the home screen for a few seconds to allow background setup. If nothing appears, open Find My and check the Items tab. The wallet should show up automatically after the phone finishes detection. To finish, open Find My and verify the wallet appears under Items with your Apple ID. Enable Notify when left behind to get alerts and share access with family if desired. If the wallet doesn't appear, try simple troubleshooting. Remove and reseat the wallet on the MagSafe ring, restart the iPhone, and check for and install any iOS updates. If problems persist, sign out and back into iCloud, or try the accessory on another compatible iPhone to isolate hardware versus account issues.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.